merge multiple proctored assessments passed by a test taker into a single certificate, start in the Assessments tab. Enter the test taker's name into the search field and click Search. Find the records you need and click the plus sign next to each certificate button. You are only able to select assessments that were both proctored and passed. And you can include only one instance of any module passed multiple times. When all modules have been selected, click Review Certificate. Review the information. If needed, you can remove assessments from the list using the checkmark buttons, or remove all. When the list is correct, click Download Certificate. Your browser will download the certificate as a PDF. Find the PDF download and open it. The certificate lists all the modules the test taker has passed. It can be printed like any other PDF.